How to turn off videos on Spotify on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to turn off videos on Spotify on iPhone or iPad. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device. And if you do not want videos on Spotify for some reason, like songs loading too slow or you finding the videos disturbing, then tap on your library option on the bottom toolbar of your screen and further tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen. You will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that. In the interface that you will be led to, you will further see the option for playback. Tap on that. Scroll down and you will see the option for canvas. Go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for canvas. And with this, you will no longer see short looping visuals on tracks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.